Hello team, morning, welcome back. As you can see from my from my from my wallpaper, I'm in Asia in Korean time. So it's like I don't know, here it's like 2:40 in Europe it's 7:40 a.m. But I'm making the video anyway because I got like 50 minutes and I don't know if I'm gonna be at charts, but I was looking at charts and I got the idea pretty clear. So I wanted to make a video with you for you and with you. So we got news this week, and the news are mostly like midweek. Actually, it's the good FOMC. It's not like the fake one. So this one gonna move markets. Um, Today looks quiet, but I was looking at charts, and I still got bullish bias, guys, like big time. I'm not like extremely bullish because in the end there is like a weekly raid, but the weight hasn't been followed up by anything, literally anything. There's no one time frame that BMS. Yeah, maybe H1, but whatever. Let me see. Not even H1. Guys, not even H1 BMS bearish. They managed to save even H1. So yeah, there is no chance that this thing is going down anytime soon. There are reasons why it could go lower. I can see reasons. Like, look at this. This fair value gap will be amazing for longs. So I can see a pullback. We took a lot of liquidity. We took weekly liquidity. We bounced here on a monthly. We bounced inside this big bearish origin. You see that it touched down here, but I think is to push some more before starting to retrace. I think it's gonna retrace at some point. I don't think that this candle is gonna left behind with a flat low. I don't know. I don't trust that it's gonna go up just like that. This is like a high resistance liquidity run. Look, this was a high, low, lower high, lower low. At some point here, somebody gonna sell it. In this area. I don't know when. I don't know when. I don't know. I don't know how deep they're gonna go into the bearish origin of the monthly. I don't know. Maybe they can go to 120. Maybe they can go to 118. But at some point here, somebody gonna sell it. I'm sure that we're gonna have like a bearish monthly candle at some point soon. I don't know if it's gonna be this one or next one. I have no fucking clue, and I don't care to be honest because I trade daily. But I'm aware of these things. Anyway, I was saying we took liquidity on the weekly, but there is nothing bearish yet. We closed as a green candle. Yeah, daily had this retrace, which is an inside candle, but again, I don't see too many reasons to become bearish so soon. So yeah, I go to hourly, and then I see hourly there is not one bearish BMS yet. I see liquidity over here. I see that this is like a rate to me. Then they instantly eat it up. Like somebody here sold big time, big time. Okay, big time like 60 pips. How much is it? Yeah, 80 pips. No, okay, 70 pips. And then they instantly ate it up, and now they're pushing. I don't like Asia rates. This one was made in Asia, 5:15 Europe time. But honestly, I don't also see many reasons why this thing should dump it. So maybe this origin can make something. I don't know. There is this fair value gap here. It's quite sexy for shorts. I'm not gonna lie. But overall, I think that this is a lower resistance liquidity run, and they're gonna run it. The only problem I see with some trade like this one, for example, I can see something like this playing out. The only problem I see with this trade is that it's just Monday. It's just Monday, and there is not many news, and I would rather wait them to give more clarity before taking too many positions. But yeah, overall I'm bullish. So yeah, that's enough for me for today. Maybe I'm gonna have time tomorrow to make another video, and I'm gonna share with you. And I wish you all a nice week ahead. Talk to you soon. Bye.